It's Leo season.
1, 2, 3, go. Risk, 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 risky, risk, risk, risky, E.t.c, yeah. Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging, and I go hard, that's why they keep.
You guys, it's exactly a week to my birthday. Yeah, I'll be turning 23. Yeah, the Jordan year. And I just want to like use this medium to like say a few things that I'm grateful for. First off, I'm grateful for the opportunity to like witness another year on planet Earth. I'm grateful for just being alive, like being able to like breathe, being able to like eat, being able to like wear clothing, being able to like drink water. I'm grateful for my environment. I'm grateful for good light. I'm grateful for stable health. Next is I'm grateful for my friends. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for everyone around me that loves me for me, loves me, loves my flaws, love my good side, I'm grateful for the lessons life has like taught me. And trust me, I'm saying this from like a inner part of me. I'm grateful for love. I'm grateful for hurt. I'm grateful for heartbreaking, financially, mentally, physically, spiritually, and everything. I'm just grateful that I'm able to like do this life thing and do it well, for real. I know I'm not perfect, and I it's not like I've gotten my life figured out already, but I know that I still like have a lot to like achieve and all. But I feel like the path I'm on, the path that I'm on is a good path. I can feel it, I can sense it. I'm grateful that I'm content with what I have also. Yeah.
So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick of love. I'm tired of always see the better in people or the things that matter. But I never could have thought that dagger in my bag, it was you. The echoes of your lies, dear. Can you hear me harmonize every word that comes out? It almost got the best of me, but now I've gotten so sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. I'd rather be naive and bitter, decorate my lows in glitter. Karma hits you like the mirror. You're too late now. In the echoes of your lies, dear. Can you hear me harmonize every word that comes out? It almost got the best of me, but now I've gotten so sick, so sick, I'm so sick of love.
먼지투성이 hands are trembling right now, right now. Deep blue water sea, afraid of jumping in right now.
So next time I can just always go from the app, right?
한 발을 내밀었어. 걱정이 많이 있어. It's a bit of love, yeah. It's a little tough, yeah. 담배를 물고 있어. 생각이 너무 깊은 밤. It's looking too deep. It's a little rough. shimmering, falling over me right now, right now. Yeah, 한숨을 쉬고 있어. 또 마음을 가고 싶어 난. I'm afraid of all things, and I said enough, yeah. Overthinking if I belong, but I'm where I need to be. Nobody's stopping us from fly. Don't kill this mood, just
Don't worry, I got you.
It's just going to go. No mind those Oyibo people, they will just keep quiet like it's not. I know you guys don't like to see, even me too, I don't like seeing when people are brushing their feet. So I didn't put that in the vlog. So I brushed my foot. You know, teeth or tooth. I brushed my teeth, like my teeth, you know. A group of tooth is teeth. English is very hard though, and you know, I'm not about that life. So skin work for Yasmin on this one.
you will never be